How to use a PS3 controller on Nintendo Switch with no adapter. Welcome back to Glitch Sorcerer, and let's jump right into this informative tutorial. Even though you switch on your Nintendo and connect your PS3 controller through the Bluetooth, it will not recognize your PS3 controller. And also, you will not be able to use a controller on your Nintendo Switch. And here is why using a PS3 controller on a Switch without an adapter is not possible. So first and foremost, it is because of incompatible protocols. The Switch and PS3 uses different Bluetooth versions and communication method. The Switch would not recognize the PS3 controller signals. This is because Switch uses Bluetooth Low Energy for wireless controller communication, while the PS3 controller uses a different Bluetooth protocol. Second is the hardware limitation of Switch. The Switch internal hardware is not designed to interact with PS3 controller directly. However, there might be a solution that you can use a three-party adapter specially designed to connect PS3 controller to the Nintendo Switch. These adapters help to translate the PS3 controller signal into a format compatible with the Switch. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Hopefully you found this informative to you.